quite a number of them.
I don't think Warwick minds taking a minute off the clock like that because they're really not interested in their individual stats. I think the stat that they seem to enjoy the most is how low can we keep that opponent? How low can we keep that total? Even in their loss to LS, LS scored 40. It was 40 to 29. There are not going to be many nights when that LS team is under 50, let alone hovering right at 40.
There's a steal by Mickens. Lead pass to White, and he can't finish the layup. Grable with the rebound.
A little casual going in there. I thought Warwick might have got away with a foul on the other end, so maybe it was karma that he missed that.
Mickens this time gives it off to Shields.
Yeah, if there's one stat that's standing out in this game, it's the turnover edge. Warwick's protecting the basketball. They're really not making many flashy plays, but they're not making many mistakes. The Calicos had their share of problems handling the ball.